It's the 100 Trades Back Testing Challenge. This is Series 3. We are back to trade Micro Nasdaq futures, the symbol MNQ. We're going to replay February 2025 historic price action. I am your host, CMZ. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Let's go ahead and look now at the chart. We got to get this set up, folks. We got to get it set up. I've already went to MNQ, which I don't know why I thought we would just see like totally different price action, as if it was some completely different chart than the NQ chart. But it makes a lot of sense that it's the exact same price action. So the micro NQ really just has to do with the size of each contract. And we're going to look into that. We're going to look into the micro NQ contract from CME. We're going to get the information from CME Group. We're going to go to February 2025, which we're doing now. We're going to start. Well, Saturday markets are closed. We could technically start this Sunday, but holding true to what we do, let's just do, let's see if we can get through 3 full weeks here. Folks, we got 30 trades to take. The month that we traded NQ, 27 trades. It only took us 27 trades. When we traded gold, we were trade happy, apparently 43 trades, down to 27. Now we want to trade 30 more times because we are basically 70 to 71 trades. Let's say 70 trades into the 100 Trades Backtesting Challenge. So we'll find some reasons to take some multiple trades, get to 30, and we're going to do it in 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks, essentially 4 weeks or less. As soon as we get to 30, that will conclude the 100 Trades Backtesting Challenge. I'm excited. You're excited. Let's do this. We're going to start. We trade New York session and we trade Asian session. So let's start at, we're pumped. We're excited. We're starting early, 5 a.m. on Monday, February 3rd, 2025. Bring on the price action. All right. Beautiful. Beautiful. Our chart's ready. Here we go. Here's the numbers for you. Gold, 43 trades, $10,000. NQ, 28 trades, $12,000. Look at that win rate went up. You know why? Because we are learning to stick to the plan at all times. And in this NQ session, we made some mistakes where we did not stick to the plan. So I think this win rate can go even higher. I think we can make more than 12 grand in less than 28 trades. So I don't know what this is. Time it. Yeah, I don't know what, but apparently, apparently from November 27th, 2024 and onward, I don't know what this is, folks. I don't know. Total data back tested. One month. Actually, we've done 2 months, so I'm not really sure what the malfunction is here with these, but you can see the evidence down here, folks. Nothing active, both completed. We're starting a new session. Session name, MNQ, February 2025. This is Series 3. Of the 100 Trades Backtesting Challenge. You already know, Microsoft. MarketCipher Basic Strategy. That's our playbook. That is the strategy we've been using for 70 consecutive trades. Journaling every single one of them, folks. I am going to be on a beach somewhere with $1 million in my account, reminiscing back on how it all started with the 100 Trades Backtesting Challenge. When I finally decided that I wanted this, I will make it a reality. The 100 Trades Backtesting Challenge is that reality. Start date, we already know. February 3rd, 5 a.m. Yep, it's military time, so there you go, 5 a.m. to Friday. Oh, wait, oops. 2025, February, Friday. Markets close at 3 p.m. So that'd be 1,500. Boom. Starting balance. We're just keeping it consistent with the other two, but this doesn't mean you need 100,000 to start trading or none of that, right? We've been trading 2 contracts for gold, 2 contracts for NQ. Whatever the cost of those 2 contracts plus whatever margin your broker requires you to have to cover any losses, that's your starting balance that you need to employ everything you've seen here so far. And then 100 Trades Backtesting Challenge. And I did the math, and I think with gold, I'd only need like 25,000, maybe 30,000. And I could make that 10,000 in a month. Was that 30%? You know, this is not a game, folks. I'm over here cracking the code on this trading stuff. It's real. It's happening. We're doing it. You're seeing it. Let's go ahead and create this session. Here we are. We got our trade notes. Got our session notes. Beautiful. Beautiful. I am pumped. This line right here, for the record, it showed up once I did this place order manually thing through the order book. You know, as opposed to, oh look, oh, that's how I get it to go away. So if it's just stuck on this, I can go back to market and it'll go away. Oh, that's wonderful. We just solved the problem. We don't have to stare at that thing anymore. See, you can buy, sell with these buttons, or you can come in here and like set an order, which when we're trading live, preferably, we're always using limit orders to limit in, limit out. You don't get, you have to pay an extra fee to market in, market out. It's just the way of the world. All right, where are we at? 5 minute. Show me. Okay, this looks the same as this. Yep, we're in the right place, folks. We also know this says February 2025, Monday 3rd, 4:55 a.m. This is 4 a.m. for some reason. Let's just get this to 5 a.m., shall we? There we go. This is hype. Okay, now we need to understand contract size. So we learned that NQ contract size was $5 a tick, and a tick size was 0.25. So 4 ticks would have been a point or a dollar. And life is like that would be a $20 move. And that's all. Per contract. That's how we were trading NQ. Let's go check out CME futures MNQ. CME group, folks. It's where you get the information about futures, contracts, pretty much a lot of other stuff that I don't even know yet. Okay, I don't want to look at anything that might spoil the spoils. I just want to know specs. Contract unit. You really want advice? Just hold your shit together and you will be fine. Okay. So 0.25 is still a tick. And you get 50 cents instead of $5. It's 50 cents per contract instead of $5. So instead of $20 a point when we were trading NQ, it would be 50 cents times 4, $2. So it's divided by 10. So if we were trading 2 contracts, folks, that means we get to trade 20. And that would be the same as trading NQ, with a major difference and a very important one. If we're trading 20 contracts, we can now take profit 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. You know what I mean? Like, the riskier the trade looks, we can just keep pulling out more and more contracts, taking profit off the table. So by the time the trade goes against us, we only miss out on, you know, peanuts. I will get more into this comparison in a comparison video, but for this video, y'all know how we do. In the first video of the series, we look at the CME and just kind of get an idea, and then we just jump into some trades. Actually, we already know how NQ moves. It likes to move anywhere between 50 to 100 points when it does its swings, especially the 15-minute backed up by 40-minute, 2-hour, you know, high to low alliance. You know how we do, folks. You know what we do here on this channel. This is really all we wanted to know. It's divide everything by 10, and that's micro. All right. That being said, let's go to TradeZella here. Session notes. Okay, what do I want to do? I want to say what did we determine it is? It's 50 cents. All right, so if we were trading, I mean, we were, not if, we were trading 2 contracts, we mathematically, I'm just going to say we now, the equivalent, here we go, the equivalent would be 20 micro. And there it is, folks. There it is. Okay. Okay, I'm good. Now, let's go ahead and start looking at these charts. Oh, my spider lines aren't necessarily locked in here. Will they give us data? Doesn't appear to want to give us data. Okay. That's all right. That's all right. So when we traded NQ, this is what we traded right here. This November price action here. See, we got this gap here. That's going to be interesting. It just happened at the end of January. So let's find some trend lines. Let's find some support and resistance areas, and mark it up a little bit here on the 4-hour. Right here. See, we got all these touch points. That's why we see price with a little bounce right now. You know what? I'm not going to do it that way. Let's do this. You know, I like this major, you know, this is all the way December 2024. This is like the past 2 months. It's just had, like, every time we got up here, cracks down. Finally broke through, got some momentum, but then it cracked down all the way back to that line, which was resistance. Resistance, retest, got back up here, crack, support, it's a little force field action, crack, right? So now it's like, can we do this? Yeah, see, she just totally disrespected any kind of support here and here. All right. We're not too worried about getting this perfect. We're just trying to get a feel for where the price could react. Nothing is for sure in the market. The market will do whatever it wants. We just do an analysis on where price has reacted previously and anticipate that price could react there again similarly. That's all this is. And with MarketCipher, we have confidence to enter into a trade where one of these reactions are likely to play out, and we have a stop loss in case we are wrong. And because we have a strategy and a plan, we are able to backtest that strategy and plan enough times to build confidence that the probability of us being right outweighs the probability of being wrong. And over time, we remain profitable. That's the game. That's it. That's all. Nothing else to it. Except battling your emotions to do anything different than what I just said. But look at that right there. I do like that for a touch point. All right. What I really want is spider lines, but it doesn't look like we're going to be able to set those up at this particular time. And that's okay. Just seem to be doing like a little range action. I don't care about that. I don't actually care about that too much. Let's just set up we're just gonna set up some trends, some support resistance, and keep it simple. Keep it simple. Now the spider lines would be great, but here's what we do anyways. We stick to the basics. We don't need a whole lot. We're just kind of in this channel. Equilibrium. Price loves it right here. So point of control, kind of what they would, right here in the middle. Every time it gets out, pulls it back in. All right. Oh, that'd be a beautiful trade. Oh, this is, yeah, we're on the 4 hour. We're looking at huge moves. Let's look at the 15-minute here. We don't need this volume. We got MarketCipher for all that. Yeah, all right. I think the probability of us getting right back in here is very high. Very high. All right, enough of that. Let's look at some MarketCipher. That's where we want to be anyways. MarketCipher. Let's remember our etiquette here. We do not look at candles on the higher time frame in MarketCipher or in TradingView when we're in replay mode, because they will tell us too much about price movement. It's one of the downsides of using TradingView as a replay tool. Now, this is the New York session on a Monday. Let's start at the daily. Well, we'll look one time at the 2-day. Why not? Nice trigger. Bears fighting. Money flows. Money flows there. RSIs look like crap. Bearish on the daily. $12-hour. What about RSIs on the daily? Yeah, red on the daily, bearish on the daily. Money flow getting into the red for a couple of weeks there. Almost a month or more there. 12-hour is a big time frame. Things take a while to play out. Tight bullish trigger. Inwardly curved. That's why she came back down. I could see February could be a red month here. Oh yeah. I think this bear trend's just getting started. Yeah, so price is just kind of bearish. High time frames looking bearish to me. 6-hour. This is where we start to see, remember, we're in this kind of, we're in here. And so this is why the higher time frames look bearish, but there's just enough bull power to keep it from going below here. Every time the bears kick it down, the bulls kick it up. This is some sideways classic sideways action. Bearish on the high, getting down to the 4, closer to our mid time frames. Some kind of bull action here. Maybe that's what sends us back up here. See how the bulls got to fight with those higher time frames? It's like no problem at all. That's what we're seeing in MarketCipher as well. Yeah, the 3 hour could chip back up here, send the price up. Seeing a lot of this sideways stuff. Nothing impressive here. Here we go. Look at that. Little 40-hour chipper. Got the trigger on the 40 there. There's wavy money flow. She could be ready to crack on down anytime now. Those are when those big moves happen. You know, she figures out she no longer wants to play the sideways game. Gets under here. Wham. See ya. .30-minute has some nice curvature there. Yeah, this is just that sideways stuff, folks. It's that sideways stuff. I don't see anything. I don't see anything worth jumping in. Um, how far are we from the bottom here? Ooh, that's far. All right. You know, we're setting an alert here. We want to see if price can get down here. We want to know if price can get up here. It's just more of a local area to trade for us. Testing. Lost my music here. Hold on a second, folks. There we go. And we're back. Okay. Yeah, I'm looking a little too big picture. Let's just right here on the 5 minute. Here's a nice little small range here. We can wait for price to give us something to look at. So we're just going to play this out some. Okay, we're alerted here within the first 15 minutes. Doesn't take long at all. I think we're running with the bears, just so y'all know. We could probably short that right there. Risk 1200. But I'm not. All right. Now we're getting somewhere here. Okay. Now we're getting somewhere here. So we're an hour and 40 minutes into our trading day, real time. Like that's what we found. We started at 5 a.m. on the charts. 6:40 a.m. This is the beginning of what might look like an opportunity. We got a little breakout out of a local range. 15 money flow. We got anchors. We We got triggers. We also have some bearish looking RSI action. 40-minute, got some room to push up. 2-hour anchor, could be a trigger. RSIs, there's that 3-hour. Hours pointing down. You know, there's just not enough alignment for me. I see there's definitely moves happening. Yep, here it is. She's already coming back down. There's moves happening, but it's just nothing we want. We want that alignment, folks. Okay. Now, are these the bears we've been looking for? If this 5 closes, we might be interested. Yeah, we can get some kind of retest here. Gotta watch this one, folks. This might be the 40-minute looks hungry. Yeah, I don't know. All this sideways stuff. We did get 1.5 to close. To give us an entry. Goodness gracious. Yep. 40's juiced. All that other stuff was juiced up. Choppy. There they are fighting, folks. So it came down, did some sweep action. If she closes, I mean, this is the game. You know, we're ready to short here. If we would have got some kind of 1.5 close, 2.5 close, give me another close that gives me up here, and I'm shorting that. If this would have closed here and then showed me some red candle action, you know, I would have been framing it up high to low to see if I had some alignment. Now we got the 5 pushing up. Very, very strong candle, folks. Look at that, almost 200 points. That's bananas. It's $4,000 easily for what we trade. So now if she can come down here, show us some type of wick, and then more push up, you know, all within 15 minutes. And then things start to look like they're staying aligned. That's when we get in. So let's get the bear off there. I mean, we're in some scalp territory. We do love this 1 minute, or this 40 minute. And we love how the 2-hour has this nice curvature. RSIs are gassed up. But remember, those bears are cracking down on the really high time frames. But then fill in this gap. High probability. like to see her get somewhere back in here. She's not wasting any time. That might be it right there. Do like this inwardly curved. You know, we might be able to long right here. Come down, another green opportunity. But can she push down at this point? I think she can. I mean, the four, you know, up to the 1 hour, the mid time frames, they're ready to push up. Yeah. Mid time frames are about that life right now. Let's also catch up some of TradeZella 8:35 a.m. Yeah. So this is all that's really happening, folks. Is she came down. She wants to fill this gap. This is where we could start to see some resistance. So I think 340. Yeah, which is right there. Okay. $531. Somewhere in the middle of here. Oh yeah, that's still an opportunity for a trade. I need my 15-minute to give me something. Okay. See how she's curving back up? There's some big moves happening here. too choppy. That's why we haven't been getting into much. It's looking bearish, but I just can't see. I'd want my stop loss up here, but that's almost 100 points. These candles are packed with juice right now. Yeah. Yeah, I think she's about to go higher. You know, with the micros, now we actually can trade with half, like with just 10 contracts, which would be the equivalent of trading with one contract in MNQ. But because we're trading with 10, we still have the ability to take profit. But it also means that our stop loss can be twice. So instead of having like a 25-point stop loss, we can have, or even like a 40-point stop loss, which is our max. That was the $1,600 risk limit that I like to trade. It means we can go from 40 to 80. So like down here, and that gives price action a lot more room to play out in our favor. This is interesting. Interesting indeed. Because I want to go long, folks. I want to go long. But I need to see up till noon. How much time you got? Oh yeah. Oh, even though the 5-minute, like the lower time frames don't feel like it's got an entry, what are the chances we can get just an ever so slight pullback? That's really where I want to set my stop loss. Look, I know. Yep, that was money. That was money. wanted a little pullback. I mean, actually, that's back where we started. Does my 15 still look good? Nope. Nope. Missed my shot. Missed my shot. Yep. Now, maybe it's time to go with the bears here. Oh yeah, I can see that. Okay. Okay. 2 hours doesn't quite agree. 4 hour wants to go higher. 6 hours higher. 12 hour sideways. There's no alignment right now from high to low, but we do have scalp for the bears playing out. I think I'm gonna wait for the bulls to come back around. That makes sense. So where were we over here when I was going to take a long? I think it was like right here. You know, I might be just a little gun shy because of, you know, a series 3 first trade. I gotta shake this feeling that it has to be a winner. It doesn't. I just need to make sure I got high to low alignment, and I think I've been feeling like that my high to low alignment isn't there. Okay, so let's check again. 6 hour. It's a little bullish, a little bearish. Lots of money flow. It's pushing through the afternoon here. Two hours pushing. 1 hour pushing. Wait, are we at closing time? Oh yeah. Oh, the New York session, all that's over. So we chickened out on a couple of trades. Didn't exactly have the alignment we wanted. So maybe we didn't chicken out, but that's it for Monday, New York session. Now we're back at, you know, we're going to come back at, like 1600. Yeah, Asia is at 1600. So let's just go ahead and get there. All right. So we didn't take a trade in the New York. That's okay. That would have been a long day. Or 1600. Let's catch up. I did fill this here. See where we're at. 4 hour. Didn't mean to look at the candles. Where is that? 1547. Okay, it's already there. All right, so we didn't. No surprises. See, this is a strong move. You know, she can kind of keep going. Once we get up here, she could keep flowing. 2 hours got some power. Seeing a little pullback action. Let's just play it out some here in the Asian session. There's my 2 hour. Okay. I might roll with the bears on this one, folks. Stop needs to be up here, like right here, which is, that means I can't go in full 20 contracts. area, so I'd be risking like 1400. Let me give it the 3-minute penalty here.
I can hear your voice. I can hear your voice.
Want her to come back up just a little bit. Dang it.
I can hear your voice.
Okay. Yeah. No, that wouldn't have been. That wouldn't have been it.
I can hear your voice.
Okay. I low key like that. And I think it's pretty low. It's a pretty soft risk. $30 looks good. 40. 2 hour. 4 hour even looks prime. $15 could play out beautifully. 5's an entry. 3 inwardly curved. All right, we're taking this short. It's doing this thing though. But it's on the 1 minute. But not really. Do 15 contracts. No, we'll do 15. Give them the 2 minute. Okay, where are we at? 840. 2040. Okay. Our first trade. All right. Now let's get our time frames locked in. All right, folks. It's exciting. Our first trade of Series 3. This will be the 1 minute. $15, $40, $1 hour, I really like this 2 hour. Just so y'all know, the 2 hours what is really influencing my love for this trade. A lot of it has to do, a lot of it's riding on whether we can see this VWAP push down and keep this momentum low. We want to see that happen. We do not want to see this momentum kick back up here. And if it does, we want to see a nice trigger before the price can stop us out. So we're really counting on the bears on this 2 hour to hold the price down. Keep that pressure on. 5 minute, you know, she could, wham, she could, or she could just get knocked back down again. And that's what we're looking for here, folks. You know, we have a strategy, we have a plan. Some things have aligned. We have a strong defensive stop, which is here behind several 15-minute candles. A previous resistance over here. So if this was indeed a false breakout, she'll stay below and send us lower. You know, she went below here. She cracked down. You know, she just needs to stay below there. I want to see her do this. So our stop's at 514.25. First TP, maybe like right down here somewhere. $20.40, $21.40. An hour. I think, oh, my screenshots. Where was I? Did I get them all? Yeah. So let's get them in here. 1 minute. Let's take a look at those. I do like the two. The one, I need this pressure to keep up. I need the pressure to keep up. Same with the 40. They're curving back up, but we're hoping, you know, we got this expectation that this line of resistance from the bears holds. Looking for the 5 minute to kick it off. Looking for the 15 to carry it, and then we should see the 40 up to the 2 hour, where we really love. You see what I'm saying? This is our ceiling. If this thing gets a green dot beside it, we're hosed. And that's the game. All right. Nothing left but to play this one out, folks. We'll play it out here on the 5 minute. Oh, let's go. Let's actually go. We hit our first take profit here within 20 minutes. All right. Oh dear. The 1 minute's giving us the game. All right, we're going to take profit here, and we were going to stay and continue. So, I mean, happy, joy. Okay, so where are we at? 21:04. Let's go minute by minute here. $21.04. 465 in profit right now. 21.04. Back to 135 in profit. And it's 757 in profit. So we get to take profit as close to 402.75 as we can get. 402. You know, the bottom of this candle here at 2104, the minute candle, 2104. So that's not the bottom. So let's go forward. Okay, here we go. 403.50. Yeah, this is going to be as close as we can get, unless it goes up a little bit. No, it sure doesn't. So we get to take some profit here. We're taking a third off. So that means we're selling 5. We're at 1,700. We're selling 5. I mean, we're buying back 5. Boom. We just locked in our first profit of Series 3, folks. Our first profit of Series 3. We're moving our stop loss to basically break even. Let's look at these 15s. We'll move it behind this 15 here. Get us another 130 if she decides to spike up. So 452.75. Moving our stop to 452.75. There's our stop. Where's our next take profit going to be? That would be somewhere down here. Let's just say let's say 374. Yeah, 370. You know, 370. Goodness gracious, that thing ran through 3. Hold on a second. Sure did. 370 is where our next one. The final take profits down here. Yeah, so I gotta go with it for the stream's sake. I just witnessed that it went past this even after I called it. So I didn't realize it was gonna take profit again. Yeah. In the very next minute. So we're gonna take another 5 buyback. And see, this is why I'm already loving micro. Already. I can tell you already. I love gold. Gold, I love you. MNQ. It's been fun trading with 2 contracts. What a ride. Those were some big swings of yours. But micro, oh sweet micro, I get to take profit multiple times. Yeah. We're buying back another 5. We have 5 still in the trade. Here, we let it ride until it stops us out, which we will continue to move and follow 15-minute candles, 5-minute candles, whatever we think is necessary. And until MarketCipher tells us. That's the name of the game here. Until MarketCipher tells us. So let's get back to the music. So far, MarketCipher is saying, hang on to your butts, because we're going to be in for a ride. One minute, getting a little bit of traction. I'm not too concerned. I mean, our stop's way up here, folks. She can do it, but kind of expecting. It doesn't matter what I expect. MarketCipher isn't showing the exit criteria until about now. This is an anchor wave. What's the 15 saying? We're not exiting based on the 15, nor based on the 10. Let's kind of expect, or not expect, but let's just see. Let's just see. It's a lot of sideways movement. Makes me want to check on my 10 and my 15. Okay, 15's pretty deep. Pretty deep, folks. 40's still alive. 24 maybe. She's reversing now. Technically, this is a get out situation, but I'm gonna push it. We've already locked in 1500. I want those mid time frames to bring me another bearish 15-minute wave if it can, as we move closer to the London session here. I want to see London. I want to see London falls. We're moving into the London session. I mean, we could basically if she wants to stop us out, that's fine. We've locked in $1,500. That's what I'm loving about this micro NQ already. It just gives you so much more flexibility to hang out in a trade once you've already taken profits. All right, so we're moving sideways quite a bit here. I just want to see, has anything changed on the 15? That's an anchor trigger, a little bullish. What's this 2-hour trigger doing? Trying to curve back up. See, this is where that 2-hour, we want it to bulls look hungry. If they want my If they want my stop, they're gonna have to get it. I'm letting her play. Okay, now here's this particular line of scrimmage. Okay, we have broken that particular line of scrimmage. Just trying to get a little strength here. What am I thinking? I want to see this 15. Okay. My 40. It's kind of a nice 1 hour trigger. Okay, we're out. We're out. Yep, we're out. In fact, I'm just going to move my stop to here. And if she wants to come back up and grab it, she can do that. 427.25. So we're going to 3 a.m. Okay, 3 a.m. We're still this 695 more dollars we could take out, or we set our stop for 427. 427.75. How about that? And that'd probably be, yeah, another $300. Yeah, if she wants to come get it, come and get it. But you know, I think there could be some bear action hidden in the mist. Oh, she got us. Okay. Boom. All right. There it is, folks. $1,900 trade on Micro NQ. I love Micro NQ. I'm telling you this, I think I found it. I have found what I want to trade. Yeah, if feels like home. And I'm able to control my contract size based on how much risk I need to. I can manage my risk to stay within that $1,600 and manage to place my stop loss where it needs. I get more room, more opportunity to take the trades I see without having to wait for the absolute perfect setups that I have been. So, folks, this is exciting. This is very, very exciting. We caught this move. I don't know what to tell you. Shout out MarketCipherTrading.com. By the way, when we saw that reversal happening on the 15th, like right here, that's when it was time to get out. You know, another 67. So that would have been, let's just say 70. I don't even know. I'm having trouble mathing this whole thing out here. Oh, okay. It would have been, that's right, 70 would have been 1,400 with one NQ contract. So divide by 10 would be 140. Micro, one contract, 140. And then we had 5, so it'd have been about 800. So we picked up another, 300? So we left 500 on the table because we didn't follow the trading plan exactly. You know, we wanted to take that risk. And I'm saying that's okay. We might, folks, being able to trade with more contracts adds a layer of flexibility that we have not seen in the 100 trades backtesting challenge, because it's always been about trading with 2 contracts. Micro NQ opens up a whole nother dynamic for our trading strategy. And we could potentially put in our plan that once we have taken 2 take profits, we are allowed to let that 3rd take profit be way more flexible. Like, we can leave it up to my interpretation of MarketCipher, and I can take the risk, and it's acceptable, like an acceptable risk. So anyways, folks, this is hype. This is just really hype. There's our trade. Took first take profit there, continued on down, and I don't know what else to say. There is nothing else to say. You're tuned in, and you're not going to want to miss the next time CMZ trades.